Okay guys, welcome again to another video, the Electric Razor app YouTube channel. As you can see here on the table, I've got my one-headed head razor that I've shaved with. As you know, I shaved with this in a previous video. I've got a little Tupperware container here full of hot soapy water. So what we're going to do, as we've done in the past with other razors, is show you how to clean this razor, and it's really simple. Now, first, of course, what we'll do, here's what it looks like. You remember this razor when I reviewed it for you. Let's take the head off. Very, very easy. Head comes off. Again, this head, on all these new head razors now, most heads are magnetic, and if they're not, then you probably bought one that's old stock. But this one, you can see this, we'll just pop it off here. Magnetic. There we go. You can see inside there all the hair. Okay. And the underside of the head as well has a bit of hair. So what we'll do here is we'll clean it. So I'll just roll up the sleeves of my Electric Razor app hoodie here, and then we'll continue here. So actually, what I should get to as well is I should get a towel. Okay. So I'm going to be back, and when I'm back, there's going to be a towel magically laying on the table. Okay, guys, here we are. We're back again. Got the towel now. Now, normally, if I were doing this the normal way, again, I would be doing this at my sink, and I would just be rinsing it with hot water. I really wouldn't use the soap, but the soapy water is a good thing, because as you shave, you know, the razor will accumulate oil from your scalp, and also, of course, you're going to lubricate this razor too, which I'll show you how to do in part 2 of this video. So let's do the outside here, the outside head here, the top part. And again, we take the head and just put it in the water here. In fact, I think if you were doing this not for YouTube, again, the way to do it would be, the best way to do it would be to just do it at the sink. And if you wanted to add a couple of drops of soap, liquid soap, you could do that. So there we go. There's the head. It's nice and soapy. Lay it down on the towel, and then we'll do the hair pocket. Just dump it in there. You can see the hair is, see that there? You see the hair is already coming up. So we'll just swirl this around a bit and just get it clean. Just maybe scoop some water with the razor head and dunk it back in, and just to rinse it, you know. So this is how we do it. Now, of course, with the amount of soap that I have accumulated here on this razor, and both parts of it, I'm going to rinse the head as well in some hot water. So let's do that. So when I come back, these two pieces will be magically free of any soap. Okay, we're back again. I've rinsed the two parts. They're perfectly clean now. You can see that. Outside, there's the inside, and the hair pocket as well. Okay. So again, guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to make part 2 of this video. It'll take me a while to do this. I'm going to have to stop this video, edit, do my usual thing, and then I'll come back to you tomorrow with part 2. And what we'll do in part 2 is I'm going to show you how to lubricate the razor. Okay, Candy's interested too in it, aren't you? Okay, so we'll see you in part 2, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, welcome to part 2 of this video. I've sped things up a little bit. I want to get this video out for you right away. So what I did, instead of letting my razor head dry overnight, I just kind of sped up the process with a towel, dried everything with a towel, and here we go. Okay, so I'll show you now how to lubricate. We've cleaned the razor. You saw that in the first part of the video. We cleaned the razor with hot soapy water. I rinsed it off later in the bathroom to get all the hair out completely. Now it's time to lubricate the razor. Okay, so we'll take the head cap off. There it is again. There's the razor. We have a medicine dropper here, and also a little cleaning brush for the medicine dropper. So let's open this up. And here it is. Okay, so and the medicine dropper idea came from the fact that, as you know, in a previous video, when I was showing you how to lubricate the Remington Balder Pro, there was a little cap on top of the lid here, or underneath the lid, and a little hole in the protective seal, but the oil just came out way too fast and too much. So with the medicine dropper now, we can control the amount of oil that we use. Okay, so of course, all we do, right, you want to take your medicine dropper here, just put it down into the baby oil bottle, squeeze it, and of course, release it. There we go. Now we've got, it says here we've got 2 mils of baby oil, and of course we don't need that much. I'll do 3 drops, which is probably too much even at that, but let's do it here. Okay, so there's 1 drop coming out already. It looks like it's about to drop there. You can see that. I'm not even squeezing it. You see that come out there? There we go. It's on the verge of coming out. Let's do another one. 2, 3. Oh, what the hell? Let's do 5. 5 is way too much, but let's just do it anyway. Okay, and then just go back to the bottle and just squeeze the rest of the oil back inside. Okay, and we'll clean that later. Set this aside. Okay, and then we turn it on. Button is here. Okay, you can hear that running. There we go. You want to do that, turn it on so that the oil is well distributed, and then just replace the head cap back on the razor. Okay. So that's all there is to it. That's how we clean, really any razor, any electric razor, lubricating it, cleaning it, of course. Baby oil is what I've been doing for well over 30 years. I've done a few methods. I've done baby oil. I've done spray lubricant. At the time, there was Remington made a product called Shaver Saver that I used quite a bit. And when I couldn't find it, I started using baby oil as well. So baby oil, this is unscented baby oil, as you can see there. I guess you can't. Let's zoom in on this. There we go. Unscented baby oil. Okay, that's all you need. You don't have to get any fancy sprays. You don't need any fancy cleaning stations. The Braun 9, Series 9 I had a cleaning station, but you don't need that. You can just do it by hand, as I've done, and it does a good job. So again, guys, thank you. Thank you again for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Also, remember to visit www.electricrazorwrap.com. And again, if you want an electric razor wrap hoodie, send me an email from the contact form at electricrazorwrap.com. That is the message board of the YouTube channel. Again, www.electricrazorwrap.com. Okay. Also, buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap. If you like the work I do, you want to contribute to the fund of me buying new razors, donate some money. It's always appreciated. So again, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. There's going to be a new video coming soon. There's going to be a new Panasonic that I'm going to be reviewing really soon here. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.